Have you ever been asked, "So what do you do for fun?" and suddenly forget every hobby you've ever had, like your brain just rage quits? Yeah, same. These days, getting a personality feels like solving a Rubik's Cube, blindfolded, underwater. But the truth is, it's way simpler than you think. Think about it. When you were a kid, your entire personality could be knows frog facts, likes Harry Potter, and undefeated at Connect 4. And that was enough. Meet someone, talk for 40 seconds, and boom, you're the frog Harry Potter Connect 4 kid. Now, it feels like you've got nothing interesting to say. Because after the 82nd time someone asks what you're into, and your brain serves you a blank stare, it starts to sting. The usual advice is just be yourself. But let's be real, that's extrovert propaganda. Extroverts can freestyle charisma like it's a party trick. Introverts, we need blueprints. So, like any desperate modern human, you go to Google, how to be interesting. And you get hit with personality quizzes, book lists, and pottery class ads. Not helpful. What works? It's something called the spike method. This isn't TikTok fluff. College admissions officers use this to identify students with standout personalities. A spike is just something you're into more than most people. It doesn't have to be trendy. It doesn't even have to be cool. Let's say your spike is cleaning. You watch cleaning videos, learn cleaning hacks, maybe save up for a pressure washer and start blasting grime off driveways. In just a few weeks, you'll know more about cleaning than 99% of the population. Then someone asks, "What do you do for fun?" You say, "Honestly, I've gotten super into cleaning. Want to know the truth about robot vacuums?" Boom, you're interesting. Doesn't have to be cleaning. It can be anything. Mushrooms, Lego building, bad movies. If you can explain it with passion and without jargon, people will listen. Because personality isn't about being good at everything, it's about being known for something. Here's your cheat code. Step 1, pick something weird, niche, or random that excites you. Maybe you're obsessed with vintage typewriters, speed-solving Rubik's Cubes, or cooking ultra-spicy ramen. Step 2, learn just a bit more than most people know about it. Watch YouTube deep dives, join a Reddit thread, or experiment with it, like mastering the folding technique used by retail stores or researching the hottest chili sauces on the planet. Step 3, use it in conversations as your thing. I've been collecting typewriters from the 60s. Did you know some used to cost more than a car? Or last week I ate ramen so spicy I actually hallucinated Gordon Ramsay yelling at me. Step 4, there is no step 4. That's the whole hack. Your spike is your personality foot in the door. People don't forget the ramen guy or the Lego girl. Even better, you don't only have to talk about your spike. Once people see that you're passionate about something, even if it's weird, they're more likely to listen to everything else you say. So instead of introducing yourself like everyone else, you come in with your thing and then pivot to regular conversation. It's like giving your personality a cheat code. And yeah, some people may not care about your spike. That's fine, but a lot will, because passion is contagious. So, pick a thing, get into it, use it, and suddenly you're not boring, you're memorable. And hey, if you made it this far, maybe that subscribe button looks oddly irresistible right now.